now that I filmed my outfit, I can go put on my sweatpants like normal me. Hey you guys, welcome back. It's Maddy Love back with another video. So this week I just decided to literally film a different outfit each day. Like I didn't just, put on multiple outfits in one day and then just do them. Like I literally put on each outfit every day. So I've been filming all week and I just decided to do a little lookbook for you guys. This is my own personal style. I'm in college, so I'm broke, so I can't, be wearing the Balenciagas and the Chanels and all that stuff. This is literally clothes that I've had for like a minute. Before I continue, I would like you guys to go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I post weekly. You already know the weekly dance. Also, I also wanted to plug my social media, so go ahead. All my social medias are down below in the description box. Literally follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I have a Facebook page that you guys can go ahead and like, and literally all my content is just posted on there. Instagram is where it's at, okay? Like the pictures are coming. Okay? Your girl trying to do this, okay? I'm trying to be noticed by, Rihanna, Fenty, Fashion Nova, all these, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace.
Call it how it is. Hit it. Promise, sweat. Every bit. Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast out with the gang, from full steps to a whole nother.
Double D bop, 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 double D bop. Dirty shoes and I would send love, dirty men are like, ooh, I just like they catch today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it right. Ooh, I just like they catch today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Beat it up like beat it up like
I got broads in Atlanta, just to go be in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the list in the van. Legacy, family, wait and see look like a panda. Going up like a Montana, money killers on their hands. Legacy, family, wait and see panda. Like a spoon, Danny, selling ball, candy. Ain't on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to the granny. This nigga feel like you done it. Hope the killers understand it.
Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now, sweet, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn. And we style like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
Girl was poison, ayy. But luckily I was a fire type. Had to torch that chick before she blazed my kiss. She got a couple demons, I can't let them in.